Hey my beauty junkies, subbies, and my new subscribers, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time to my channel, thank you for dropping by, as always. Hi, y'all missed that intro. I know. I am back with another video. It is storming outside, which I'm glad I got back home just in time. If you haven't checked out the new update on my new closet, which I love. I personally love because it's my closet. You can definitely check it out. I will post the link down below and let me know your opinions. I know a lot of people were like, we can't see exactly what's on the shelves because they're dark. Well, I like black. I didn't want white shelves. I wanted black shelves. So it's all right because I like it. See, you make your own style your own. I don't like white, even though white looks classic and stuff like that, but per se, I know who I am. I just don't like white because black doesn't show everything. Anyways, so as you see down below, this is going to be kind of like a thrift haul slash bargain haul, and I'm excited to show you all some awesome stuff, especially shoes. I found a Goodwill here that it's not like, it's a Goodwill industry. So you can go there, get a big basket full of stuff, and you pay only so much. So I have tons of stuff like that, which I'm gonna have to divide it because I can't do it all in one video. But be prepared for that, which is freaking awesome because I found so many great stuff. But right now, I'm just going to show you a few things that I personally got there that stuck out to me that I liked. And then, yeah. So for first things first are these two belts, which I'm so excited about. Because one of them is actually a Michael Kors. So I actually found this one there and I got it for 50 cents. It looks brand new, everything, code, all that. So I was extremely happy about this. Y'all hear the thunder? Ooh. But anyways, I was extremely happy about this. So this actually made my day. Next is this belt right here. It's very vintage to me, and that's what kind of intrigued me about it, so I had to get it. But it looks just like this. I love old vintage stuff. If a lot of you have been following me, especially on my social media sites and stuff like that, y'all know my style is very like, it's different, honestly. Like, I don't know, it's just different. I like things that are up to date, and then I just like funkify in it, if that's a word. I don't care, but it's my word. But I like this, and I got this one for 50 cents too, so that was doggone it awesome. Next is going to be the shoes that I found there, and I am extremely excited about these because these are tie-up Vince Camutos. Look at there. I was extremely happy, suede and everything. So let me tell you something about the Goodwill industry. Whatever doesn't sell at the Goodwill, I guess it actually goes there, or you can also donate there. So they get stuff that doesn't sell at the Goodwill. And apparently instead of paying $10 at the Goodwill, I got them for $3.99 at the industry Goodwill. And I love them. Perfect condition, everything. Like, so here goes one goodie bag that I have from a regular Goodwill, and it was student day. As most of you all know, I am a student. So let me show you some stuff. This year I have been very active, getting very, getting very dirty and grimy. Like, there's a certain size and a certain muscle mass. You know, I'm trying to grow that. I'm trying to, you know, grow that. But I've been working really hard on my physique, and I'm working extremely harder on my physique. So I've been getting into high-waisted stuff with crop tops. You know, I think I deserve it. I used to be over 323 pounds if you're new to this channel. So, and now I weigh 160, and I started losing weight since 2010. So I'm like, you know what? I worked hard for this body. I deserve to wear whatever I gosh darn it fucking want to, and I'm going to. Thank you, Marilyn, for giving me that inspiration. But anyways, I've been getting into high-waisted pants, high-waisted skirts, jeans and stuff like that with crop tops. I love going to Goodwill, finding old raggedy shirts and cutting them and kind of like doping them out and shit. So anyways, I found these pair of pants. They're high-waisted BOGO pants almost, whatever you want to call them. I like the color because they can go with anything, black, white, and gray, and they do tie in the front. They are a little big on me, so I can pin them or do an extra tie and give a little fluff around the waist and stuff, but I only paid $1.50 for these. All right, next I'm loving, look at these. Ah! Now these are big on me, but at least they got belt loops. Oh my goodness. I've been looking for a pair of high-waisted pants like this for a very long time, and I found them. These are so freaking adorable, and I want to find a jacket. I got a jean jacket actually, but I don't know if I want to wear it with these, but yo, I am loving this plaid material. Like, this is just so freaking awesome. And I paid $2.30 for these. And they feel so comfortable. If a lot of you didn't know, I live in Florida, so you know it kind of gets hot all year round. I'm from up north, so their cold here is not cold, you know. So even though it gets hot and stuff like that, you know, I can still wear them because they're thin. If most of y'all know, I like lacy thin material. That's just how I am. I don't like nothing thick. I'm not a thick person. Okay. Next is just this regular black crop top like this. I figured it'll go really, really good with those pants. I paid like $1 for this. Woohoo! Then a pair of regular work pants. I'm gonna destroy them probably. And then I found this express crop top, this bright freaking orange shirt. This is like so freaking orange. Really? This is orange. This is not doing justice. Well, it's showing brighter up here, but yo, this is really orange. But it's gonna look good for the summertime. Okay. So next from the Goodwill is this top right here, this lacy top. I love lace material, like most of y'all know. I love the lacy material. I think I paid $2.30 for this. And then two more things from the Goodwill. The first one is kind of this jean jacket that I was talking about. It looks just like this. It's just a regular jean jacket. I wanted something to be able to wear with anything. I can wear with shorts, whatever I want to. If a lot of y'all might have seen this on my Instagram already, which I'm obsessed, and I've been getting a lot of great compliments. I paid $7.99 for this. And then last but not least is this old little vintage black dress. And it goes past the knees, which I'm very happy about. If a lot of y'all want to see a lookbook of some of the outfits, let me know. I do try to post all my outfits on Snapchat or Instagram, so you can definitely check those out and stuff. But I really like this. It's thin, lacy, very classic. I can dress this up, dress this down, and yeah. And I think this one I paid $4.39 for. All right, so DD's. DD's is a DD's discount store here in Florida. It's like Ross, Marshall, and TJ Maxx. I guess basically whatever they don't sell, they send to DD's. And it's freaking awesome because it's great fucking deals and I love it. So I recently got 4 pairs of shoes there. The first one are these sneaker material, which I extremely love. And I paid $4.99 for this, and you can tell I've been wearing the heck out of them. Next are these kind of like suede gray wedge materials, $8. Like, look at that, freaking awesome. Ugh. This is better than going to Macy's or anything like that. I got these heel ones. These heels, $5.99. Look at that. Ugh. And these are like almost Goodwill prices. So I was freaking shocked about like the prices, especially their shoes. And then last but not least, tie up suede green ones, which are so freaking cute. Very old style, $8. So those are most of the shoes. I have to show you a couple of makeup palettes that I got from there, which are so dope. So this one is by Color Story, Born to Be a Unicorn. I love rainbows, if y'all didn't know. This one I paid $5.99 for. Look at that. And pigmented. Look. Ah! Oh my goodness. You see? And then I got this one too. And this is by Color Workshop. I've already been using this. Pigmented, comes with a brush. Oh, let me not get the same finger. Look at that. Look. Oh my God. So, you know, don't knock it unless you try it. Hey, I love makeup, especially, I tend to wear my good makeup when I'm going out, and then when I'm not going out, I tend to wear other makeup. And that's fine with me. Yo, it is really storming outside. It's so freaking black. I love it. I love it. Okay, last but not least, let me show you two more things I got. It's about to be the summertime, so you know, I had to get a cover up, and this cover up, so freaking cute. My dog's right here because she's scared. She doesn't like thunder. Look, $3.99 at DD's. Look at that cover up. Oh my goodness, and it's so cute. It ties, and it's a small medium, so I'm excited. And then, last but not least, I'm obsessed with black crop tops. I know. It'll be all right. Off the shoulder crop tops. Here goes this one. This one was at DD's for $2.99. Look. So, just random ones. And I love them because I can especially decor them up. So, that is it. I'm gonna try to keep it short and stuff like that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to thumbs up if you want a lookbook, thumbs up if you like thrifting, and thumbs up if you just like fucking clothes. Okay, if you love it, you love dressing up. I love playing dress up. That is like my happy place. You know, when I feel sad, when I feel lonely, which I'm never lonely because she's always right here. But you know what I'm saying. It's fun. I like playing dress up, and it's something that I get to do and enjoy. So anyways, my lovelies, my beauty junkies, I will be creating, I'm not going to keep no promises, but as you see, I am actually back for good. I had to take a break. I took a long break, and that's it. And now I need to set my damn game up. I'm kind of behind because y'all need to know about thrifting because these Goodwills is becoming the shit. All right, my beauty junkies, peace, love, and happiness.